Here we have one of the best tinders on the planet. We'll grab one of them, we'll take it back to camp, and we'll show you why. Okay guys, so we're back at camp. We have the tinder that we just collected. Now, what's so good about this stuff, you ask? Well, it's really fluffy. Look at all those tiny little edges on it, yeah? So what we want to do is we actually want to scrunch it up. And break it up. I don't know if you can hear that. Can you hear it breaking up? So, but we don't want a little tiny ball like this. Will it catch fire? Yes, but it will actually stop burning reasonably quick. So then we want to fluff him up. So just pull him out, pull him apart a bit. We've got a nice fluffy ball here, yeah? Now, we can use the rest of it. Let's just break some of this off, eh? Now, if we squash it, see what's happening here? Right, break him up. Crunch him up. Now, this will take a spark with enough effort. Right, but we've got the really good stuff here, yeah? So, what we do, we'll just put this here. And we'll get out two things that we should never leave camp without. Two of our three things that we should never leave camp without. So we have a good quality knife. It's actually a Gerber strong arm. And we have a fero rod. All right. What we need to do, okay, well, actually first off, with the strong arm, this is actually a ceramic coated blade. So by doing this with your strong arm, you will actually damage the ceramic coating. Whether or not you can see the edge, the very edge, because I have used it with a fero rod a couple of times. The very edge has had the ceramic coating taken off. Now what we need to do is we need to put a bit of an angle. See our angle there? We don't want to use our blade, and we don't want an angle like that. Right? So what we want is we want the blade facing away from us. Always use a blade with the blade facing away from you, but get an angle like that going on. Right? Now, different people actually, some people pull the fero rod, some people push the knife. Now, I will actually push the knife because I like to have my spark going right on into the tinder, yeah? So, straight away. And then we'll get our other stuff. This. Why is this a good tinder? Because it's up off the ground and it's very fluffy. We have our fire.